It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today, for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be making KFC Famous Bowl Casserole. You're going to need some chicken. You can make your own. We just got a bag of the popcorn chicken, 24 ounce. It says 26 ounce. 2 cups of shredded cheese. It says 8 ounces of frozen corn. I just got some of our frozen corn out of the freezer. 6 cups of prepared mashed potatoes. This is just some I had left over. Probably not 6 cups, but we'll go with that. And you can also, says 1 jar of prepared chicken gravy. I'm just going to make some with our home canned chicken broth, some flour, and salt and pepper. It'll be easy to make. Okay, let's get this started. Okay, first you want to prepare your chicken per the instructions on your bag, or if you're going to make your chicken, go ahead and do that. I'm going to fix ours in the air fryer. While the chicken's cooking, I'm going to make the gravy. Forgot to tell you, I need 1/4 a cup of butter. We're going to let that melt. Okay, the butter's melted. I'm going to add 1/4 a cup of flour to the butter. And I'm going to cook this for a few minutes, just a couple minutes. Okay, my roux has gotten like a light brown and it's a nutty smell. I'm going to pour in my chicken broth. I have to do about half of that. If I need more, I'll put more. Now you just stir till it thickens up. Okay, it's thickened up. If you want it thinner, you put some more chicken broth. I'm going to turn this down. Now, you can put whatever seasonings you want in it. Poultry seasoning would be good, but my broth has poultry seasoning and salt and pepper. So I'm going to taste this and see if I need to add any more. Okay, I added some more salt and pepper to mine. Just taste whatever you want to put in your gravy. Taste it and then add more if you need to. Now I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to set it to the side until the chicken's done. Okay, I have a 9 by 13 inch pan, baking dish. I sprayed it with some olive oil spray. Now I'm going to put my taters in. Just want to spread them out. Okay, now I'm going to add my corn. Spread it out. This recipe will be down in the description. I cut mine up because for popcorn chicken it was awful big chunks. So now we're going to add the cheese. And get it open. Okay, finally got it open. Just spread that all around. Needed 2 cups. I had 1 here, and I've got some more. Okay, I've got some aluminum foil that I sprayed. I'm going to put that over it. Everything falling. Close it up tight. Now I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes till everything's heated through. And we'll do the next step. Okay, got it out of the oven. The cheese has started to melt. Everything's heated through. Now I'm going to take my gravy and pour it over the top. Now I'm going to put this back in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes. And then we'll be ready to taste. Okay, here it is out of the oven. Let's plate it up and give it a taste. Okay, here it is plated up. Daniel, Doug, give it a try.
Head on in, bud.
It's probably going to be very hot.
Careful, bud. It just come out of
Daniel's got to go to work, so we've got to hustle and get it.
Yep. Now, this is going to be new to me. I've never had a Famous Bowl from KFC. Dan got it several times.
I've had it. It's good. How is it, Dan?
It's good.
Anything like it?
Mm-hmm. Even better.
Okay.
That is really good, folks. Give me some more. Definitely a keeper.
Okay. Alrighty.
Boy, you're so cheesy.
I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homeland's homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Homeland's homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.